was like really great morning in Kyoto. I really had a great sleep last night. And I have my breakfast right here. Here we have rice sandwiches called onigirasu. We have our tea, morning tea, and miso soup. So they said they have like different breakfasts every day, so it depends on their daily groceries. Let's go for the miso soup. Miso. Why? Wow. So good. And this miso soup is very hearty. Have some like eggs, mushrooms, green onions, and this mysterious ingredient that is like looks like a tofu in a way. Maybe it is some type of a Kyoto tofu. Here we're moving on to our onigirasu. Here we have like a rice sandwich wedged with like cucumbers, eggplants, and this really like deliciously flavored meat. I would say maybe it's pork. This is also very satiating. We have green beans and an egg omelette right in the middle. Look at the scenery. Complete Zen mode. Wow, the airflow here, you can literally smell the air. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Ryokans tend to get really hot during the summer, so in order to give much more like airflow going through the house, we have the garden and then the air flows through all these doors. We have our plants. Oh my god, there's fish in here. This room is a little smaller than ours, but you have the tatami floors. They have heaters right there. Here you have a closet. Here you have a small dining living area. I love these chairs. They're super comfortable, and all this like silhouette really like keeps you back in a really healthy position. It's a very vintage one for sure. Here we have our library. We can just sit here looking at the garden, read a book. All the Ryokans actually have onsens, which are like outdoor baths where you can take and like get a nice relaxing warm bath. But this one doesn't have one, but there's an onsen that's close by where they have a free ticket. You have to actually take off your slippers and put these on and then go to the toilet. You flush the toilet and then you can wash your hands over here to save water. So the kitchen area, your cute small area right here. Here's everything you need. You can make your own coffee using the mill here. The stairs are actually pretty narrow and steep, so you have to be really careful. And here's my room, you guys. Doors are pretty thin, I would say. It's not even, maybe it's like an inch. So we have to be really mindful of the noise. These are like super thin material. I had some sake over here last night and just get to sit. You know, sometimes just sitting on these chairs and just, you know, drinking your sake from this type of table and looking through the garden is just, you know, what I really envisioned and what I really wanted to do. Here we have like tons of, you know, softness here, 4 mattresses, and it's just very comfortable and just super fluffy. And then if you get cold, there are even these like heating pads where you can heat them up in a microwave and then hug them and go to sleep. We always watch those Japanese movies with samurais and ninjas, and we always, for sure, you wondered how is it to be in those houses. And not only it's a beautiful ancient house, but also this is a piece of a huge history. These types of structures are getting destroyed because people, when they're staying here for like a one night or two in Kyoto, I mean, they want just like, you know, regular, like Best Western or like some type of inns and motels where you have your private bathroom and where you have all the westernized necessities. So all these machiya houses are being destroyed by thousands, but also I'm happy that people are actually really interested in staying at these houses. So I think there's also a resurgence of preserving this type of housing throughout Kyoto. Alright, so there you go. Here, this was the Ryokan experience, a beautiful traditional way of living. And you know, I have more videos on Kyoto, so stay tuned and we'll see what Kyoto has to offer.